Hey guys, Rick Knight, High Guard Real Estate, and we're checking out 289 Moulton Drive in Longs. Freshly painted, neutral colors. If you'd seen the previous video, we had some very artistic colors in here, and that has been neutralized. But this is a great neighborhood, just a short distance to the beach. Large lot, over half an acre. On the main level, you have 3 bedrooms. And the master bedroom. Garden tub. Separate shower. Now we'll run upstairs and take a look. I have a second video that you can see on the YouTube channel of the heated and cooled sunroom and the backyard. Upstairs, you have a bedroom and a full bath. There's the full bath. It has a shower, not a tub. You have a landing area. It can be used as an office or a play area. And then you have a bonus room that could be used as the 5th bedroom. And this has also been freshly painted. If you have an interest, give me a call, 843-655-3517.